Hi there. If you want to cut your big 3D files to pieces that you can print on your small bed printer, you're at the right place. I will show you an easy way, so hang on. There's a software called Lubin that will help us to cut our files. Let's check it out. Lubin has a 1-month trial version, so you can use it with full functions and even free for a few weeks. I assume you have your big file or files you want to cut, so let's open it in Lubin. In this case, I have a life-size Dragon Ball character, so I will show you this method with this file. After you selected your file, the 3D model will appear on the software. What you need to do is select Mesh, then Cut. Select the unit that suits you in the window. I will select millimeters. After a few seconds, some setting opportunities will appear on the left. Under the input title, select Modular Cut. At the 3D printer settings, type in your 3D printer's full printing area size. I have a Bamboo Lab A1, so my bed size will be 256 by 256, and the height is also 256 millimeters. There are other settings that you can play with. In my case, I don't need them now. Now, as you can see, the file have cut plates with the size we typed in. You can play around with different sizes. If you type in smaller bed sizes, you will have more cuts, and your max will be your printer's max size. You don't need to give in less. The software will cut the size that will fit on your printer's bed. You even can choose plugs that can help you with the assembly. I don't need them, but you can play with them. If you are ready with the settings, press cut so the software will make the cuts and save the files to your computer. Choose the folder and press the Select Folder button. The software will start separating the cuts and will make the files. It will take a few seconds to make the files. When it finishes, the software will show you the original model with the cuts. The information shown does not fully reflect reality, because you can make a lot of settings in a slicer, so don't bother with those. You can see the end result, so you can go to the next step and can close Lubin. Open the slicer that you like. I'm using Bamboo Studio, so I will show you the results there. Create a new project, then open the folder made by Lubin. Now you can see the sliced parts. Highlight the ones that have bigger sizes. Then pull them into the slicer. You can create more plates, then put each cuts on different plates. Now you can set your prints however you want to print them out. Now you just need a lot of filaments and time to print them out. Have fun with them. If you want more 3D content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.